It's New Food Friday.
What in the world are we gonna try this week?
Is it gonna be good? Is it gonna be bad? We're gonna have to taste it to find out.
Serpentinas.
Another treat from Mexico, Serpentinas. Let's see what they think.
There! Open it up! Mom, can you open mine up?
Let's see.
I can't open mine up.
I can.
No, Mom's got it. Okay. Oh my. Oh my.
Yeah.
Smells very fruity.
It smells like grapefruit. I mean, not grapefruit.
This world.
Smells good.
Tastes good. Tastes like
fruit
cranberries.
We'll be right on the end of the table.
Alright.
Tastes like cranberries.
Tastes like grapefruit.
It's very interesting.
It has the texture of like fruit roll-ups, but it's like a roll.
Alright, so here it is out of the package. And it's like a fruit snack thing. Looks like you probably could unroll it when it was fresh, but our friends did travel back with it from Mexico, and then they had it for quite a while before they ran into us. So it's probably not, well, see, that's unrolling pretty good. So it's like a big, like, it's more like natural feeling fruit than the fruit roll-ups that are just candy-like. But you can just unroll it.
I'm not impressed.
Let's say they're a thumbs up. I'd say that they're a thumbs up, and that if we were to go to Mexico, I would.
I would not buy these.
Really
I didn't know
sticky.
I'm gonna get something to get the taste out of my mouth.
Okay, see ya. Mom,
Yes.
You try it?
Do they make your hands sticky? Okay, so the ingredients, I don't think you can read that with this yellow on the plastic. Pulpa de tejocote. So that sounds like pulp of something, I don't know. And sugar is the next ingredient. Some things I don't know. Red number 40. So it's not like it's a healthy fruit snack. It's definitely candy. So thumbs up or thumbs down, boys?
Thumbs up.
You all like it, huh? All right, kid approved, not parent approved.
Bye bye.
Bye.